I hope I'm saying this right. This is the Lzwelcy Black Vintage Battery Operated Wall Sconces. I purchased this so that my room doesn't look as boring. Let me know what you guys think of the finished product here, and I'm also gonna show you guys how to install it right now. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside the box. Putting it together is a little bit tricky, especially the wall part. It took me a little bit to figure out. So first of all, this piece over here goes in here, but it's not screwing. Why? You gotta actually unscrew this part first. And then you can stick it through here and tighten it up. Now you can screw your bulb in. And then this piece over here you can use to like tighten and loosen this part here so it kind of sticks where you want it to be. So on the wall it's gonna be like this, right? So the tricky part here, and what actually took me a little bit to figure out, is first of all, these come off. So it's gonna look like this when it's on the wall. So it's gonna basically look like it was originally wired in. So what you do is you take these off, and then what you're left is with this. Now you wanna make sure that this still stays like this. Like you're gonna wanna screw it into the wall like this, because what's gonna end up happening, of course, is you're gonna push this onto here, and then these pieces will go on. Now they give you some wall anchors here, as well as a couple of screws, and that's basically all you're gonna need to set it all up. Let me show you. So these are all the buttons on the remote. You've got your different RGB lights. You've got your brightness, increase, decrease, or you can set it exactly at 50% or 100%. You can set timers for 15, 30, 60 minutes, and 2 hours. And then of course you've got your on and off buttons as well. Also, the lights won't work out of the box. They don't actually come with the AAA batteries. You need to have them to work. So I've already put them in, but the way you do it is you just twist this off and you put the batteries in, and then you just twist it back on. And now it works. All right, now it's time for the big reveal. Now listen, I ain't no math magician, so I know it's probably not perfectly straight or aligned or whatever, but I don't care. I'm happy with this. Now it does come with 2 remotes like this, but I lost one of them in my move. The nice thing is, if I point to the left light, it'll turn on the left light. If I point to the right light, it'll point to the right light. But it also, if you point kind of like in center, let me see if I can get it. See, it'll turn both of them off and on. Now let's see what it looks like with the lights turned off. Let me just make sure it's at 100%, and it is. So not a ton of light. Let's move it actually a little bit over. You know what? I'm gonna put a different lens on here for you guys. One sec. All right, that wasn't the best lens to show off low light conditions. So here we go. This is kind of what you can expect. We're gonna move over here again, just so you can see kind of getting out of bed. This, you know, it's a decent amount of light. You can either turn things off and on with a remote, as I showed you guys. Now I just want to show you guys too that you can also turn the lights off and on by tapping over here. The thing is, you have to tap a few times to get it to turn off, because it's going to go through all the different color modes, and then you can turn it back on again. So it's, again, if you're doing it manually, it's not as easy as just going like this. So just keep that in mind. So if you're looking for something to update the vibe of your room, something that has different color options, different brightness levels, and a remote, then this is something that you might want to purchase. It's quite convenient. Now, if you're interested in purchasing one of these today, I'll toss up a QR code here for you guys, and in the end screen, there'll be a spot where you can click on a link as well. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.